I am Dr. R. Malathi Ravindran, Associate Professor of BCA, Nalamuthukoundar Mahalingam College, Pollachi, Tamil Nadu, India. I am very glad to share my views about the theme of Global Edu Conclave 2021, UN's SDGs 2030. That is the Sustainable Development Goals. These are the collection of 17 interlinked global goals. It is designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. These goals were set up in the year 2015 by United Nations General Assembly. These are intended to be achieved by the year 2030. This, in the month of September 2015, 193 countries of United Nations General Assembly adopted the 2030 Development Agenda. This agenda has titled as Transforming Our World in the year 2030. Agenda for Sustainable Development. This agenda has 92 paragraphs, 59 outlines of 17 Sustainable Development Goals. It is associated with 169 targets and 232 indicators. The 17 SDGs are no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reducing the inequality, sustainable cities and community, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice and strong institutions, and partnership for the goals. The first one is poverty. Anyone who has ever struggled with poverty knows how extremely expensive it is to be poor. It is the worst form of violence. End poverty in all its forms everywhere. The goal has 7 targets and 13 indicators. Then the second goal is zero hunger. That is no hunger. Mother Teresa said, if you cannot feed 100 people, at least feed just one. As long as poverty and hunger is prevalent in any continent or country, then the world is never safe. End hunger, achieve food security, and improved nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. The SDG 2 has 8 targets and 14 indicators. Then the next goal is good health and well-being. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Mahatma Gandhi ji said, yes, the greatest wealth is our health. Your health and well-being should be your number one priority. Nothing else is more important. Make time daily for your well-being. Ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all stages. This goal has 13 targets and 28 indicators. Then the next one, fourth goal is quality education. Ensuring the quality education is one of the most important things we can do for the future generation. Ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. This fourth goal has 10 targets, which are measured by 11 indicators. The fifth goal is gender equality. Men of quality respect women's equality. Really, gender equality is a human fight, not a female fight. Gender equality must become a lived reality. Yes, it is not a women's issue. It is a human issue. It affects us all. achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. This goal aims to grant women and girls equal rights. Then this is to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. The next goal, sixth one, is clear water and sanitation. You will never solve poverty without solving water and sanitation. It is not a luxury, it is necessary. In the current scenario, the greatest vaccine against disease and death is safe drinking water. Ensure the availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. It has 8 targets. These are measured by 11 indicators. The seventh goal is affordable and clean energy. The future is full of green energy, sustainable and renewable energy. It ensures access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. This goal has 5 targets. It should be achieved by the year 2030. Progress towards the targets is measured by 6 indicators. The next 8th goal is decent work and economic growth. The digital economy must be built on decent work, which gives human dignity, promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and protective employment, and decent work for all. This goal has 12 targets in the total to be achieved by the year 2030. Some targets are in the year 2030, the others for 2020. Then the next goal is industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Infrastructure is a key part of energy security. Innovative distinguishes between a leader and a follower. It builds resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. This goal has 8 targets and progress is measured by 12 indicators. The 10th goal is reduced inequality. Inequality is the most social evil. The worst form of inequality is to try to make unequal things equal. Whenever there is great property, there is a great inequality. Reduce income inequality within and among the countries. The goal has 10 targets. It should be achieved by the year 2030. Then it is also measured by the indicators. The next one, 11th goal is sustainable cities and communities. A city is a large community where the people are lonesome together. Make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. This goal has 10 targets and it's measured by 15 indicators. The 12th goal is responsible consumption and protection. Ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns is the goal of this SDG. The sustainable goal, that is 12, has 11 targets. Then the next one is climate action. Take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact by regulating emissions and promoting the developments in the renewable energy. It has 5 targets and also has indicators. Then the next goal is life below water. Marine protected areas contributes to poverty reduction by increasing fish catchers and empowering women. Increasing levels of debris in the world's seas and oceans is having a major and growing economic impact. SDG 14 is to conserve and sustainably use the ocean, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. Then next goal is life on land. It focuses on ecosystem degradation, and also biodiversity loss. Our 90% of our food comes from terrestrial ecosystem, which also provide energy, building materials, clothes, medicines, fresh and clean water, and also clean air. When it is discussed about degradation, the problems of environmental designation and climate change are not the threats to the earth at large. They are the challenges to human survival. In the biodiversity, be responsible for better world. Work to sustain biodiversity. Save biodiversity. It is the key to survival. Don't lose it. Okay, then the next goal is peace, justice, and strong. SDG 16 to promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development. Provide access to justice for all and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. The next and final goal is partnership for the goals. It is to strengthen the means of implementation and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. A world of 9 billion people with clean water and nutritious food, affordable housing, personalized education, top tier medical care, and non polluting. Building this is the humanity's greatest challenge. Small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform our world entirely. You can live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. You can live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Thank you for all. Thank you.